Okay,
might
here's
spit
Alex
on
about
you.
the squid right there.
Is it squid or octopus?
Squid.
What's the difference?
I don't know. Taste it and find out.
It smells good. Are you serious?
That's sticky.
Ew, stop playing with it and eat it.
I'm trying. Shut up. Shut up. I tried, damn it. You gotta give me credit for that.
That was disgusting.
Shut up. I tried it though. You gotta give me credit.
It's on your pants.
Shut up. I'm gonna kill you. You just shut up, man.
All over you.
You gotta give me credit for doing that.
Hey, you gotta give me credit for eating the what's it called? Oyster.
That was
Man, I gotta eat
hilarious.
it. Man.
You got a whole plate to finish.
Yeah, I
You
know.
got a whole plate to finish.
I didn't know it'd be that bad. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
All right, now stop this thing.